Hey guys, I just got back from the gym, did my gyroscope workout for the day, and now I'm about to make a protein shake. So I want to just give you a quick demo of how that works, the ingredients I like to use, and how easy it is. I've got this NutriBullet here. It really makes the process convenient. You can pour everything in it and just drink out of it. I like to put in some blueberries. The exact amount's kind of up to you. The more you put, obviously the more sweet it'll be. But I think a little handful is good. It not only makes it taste good, it gives you some really useful nutrients. And I just got a frozen bag of them, so this also makes it nice and cool instead of having to put ice. I've also got a thing of protein powder. This one's Pro Mix. I like this one. I also use Optimum Nutrition sometimes. 2 scoops of this is about 30 grams of protein. A lot of people really struggle every day trying to get their protein, and they're just doing 5-10 grams here and there, little snacks. So I think if that sounds like you, I really recommend putting in at least one big protein shake every day. And then you need a liquid. So again, you don't have to memorize this recipe. I want to show just how easy it is. I also like to use kefir, which is fermented. So there's a lot of research now around fermented foods being important for your gut health and stuff. So, and then also some low-fat milk. You can also just put water if you want to have lower calorie protein shake. Put that in here, shake it a little bit, and then we'll put it in the blender. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Now this is here. Now I need to track it. So for that, I'll just open Gyroscope, go to the camera, and take a little picture. Actually, now I just added the photo, so it's asking me which is it? Does it have kefir or not? And so I'll say kefir, and now I'll analyze it. So this didn't get the extra scoop of protein. It only has 20, but no problem. I can just go in, hit edit, and type it in. 30 grams protein. It helps if you type it all in, but you don't always have to. This tastes really good too. So I think a lot of people find they need to order takeout or some quick food for a quick meal, way more expensive, a lot less protein. So I really suggest pretty much everyone should just get a blender and get these things for really cheap on Amazon. Really no excuse, and once you've done it a few times, you'll see just how easy and time-saving it is. I can just chug this thing in less than a minute and then be back to work or whatever else I want to do, or have another meal and not be quite as hungry. So that's the protein shake. Again, I try to do that almost every day. Really easy way to hit your protein targets without going way over on calories. And this whole thing was just maybe less than 400 calories. So, and about half my protein goal for the day, or a third. So that's the protein shake. And let me know if you have any favorite recipes as well.